Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have these SOUNDCORE headphones, and today I'm going to tell you where you can easily find its user manual. And first let's open the web browser, and here in our web browser we have to search for the SOUNDCORE Space One user manual. As you can see, it made a lot of mistakes, but it searched correctly. We have to tap the first link here. Here we have some websites, SOUNDCORE website, and if we scroll down a little bit, we can see download PDF before printing. Let's tap on that. Now our PDF is being downloaded. Yeah, it depends on the internet connection, of course. As you can see, I have the poor Wi-Fi connection, but yeah. And as you can see, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.